In this video guide, we're going to talk about how we can work with the Unreal Engine and Substance 3D. Now, we did another lesson, another guide about working with the Unreal Engine and using the add-on, which is gonna let us import directly Substance files and especially materials from Substance inside Unreal Engine. Now, I already launched Unreal Engine here, and I've chosen the vehicle template. I want to work with that just to use an example that is already there. But essentially, you can export any asset from an Unreal Engine scene and import it into Substance 3D, change it, and then bring it back, or directly work in Unreal if you want. So I'm using this vehicle template in the games section. And if you don't know how to use Unreal Engine, of course, you'll find other lessons and courses about Unreal Engine in the channel. So I'm gonna press play here just to show you quickly. This is the vehicle template. It's really fun because you can ride a vehicle, an automobile, and that's it. So I just want to show you quickly that is, working. And right now it's using an asset that is inside the asset browser or content browser in Unreal Engine. All we need to do is to find that asset inside the content browser. So we have many ways to do that. And let me just exit the play mode, and this is the asset right there, which is a skeletal mesh. So you can see it's not visible now in the scene. So all you need to go is get into the content and use your logic to get in the correct folder, which is in this case is like vehicles. And then we have like different files once we reach here these folders with the vehicles. Now the correct file that we want is a mesh. So it's either a skeletal mesh or a static mesh. They will do fine. They will work both in Substance 3D. You cannot use like skeletons or physical assets or rigging or animation. Just go for the mesh. Now, there are some other ways you can find quickly a mesh inside the content browser is using the filter. So if you filter out, well, if you just check on the skeletal mesh and the static mesh, now we'll only be able to see these particular types of content here in the content browser. So it's easier to find them and to export them. So once you find it, you just right click and you need to find here a asset action menu or like sub menu. And from here, you go to export. You can also migrate, but this is only working if you want to bring the asset in another Unreal Engine project. When you want to bring this outside, you need to export. And you need to choose. I think the FBX is the most usable, but you also have other choices if you want. I've chosen FBX. And once you do this, you can also, export it in other software, not only in Substance 3D, but like 3ds Max or wherever you want to use. So export and just wait. Now, if you want to use the add-on in Substance, in Unreal Engine about Substance, you go here in the plugins and look for the Substance in UE5. Well, you need to install this from the marketplace, but this is shown in another video guide that you'll find in the playlist of Unreal Engine and Substance 3D courses in the channel. Now that's Substance 3D Painter right now. Of course, you can use 3D Modeler or Substance 3D Sampler, wherever you, Stager, whatever software from the Substance 3D package, it's capable of importing assets. So I'm gonna create new and select directly the FBX. Now this is a GLTF. You can try also with GLTF, but in my case, I wanna use the FBX. So I'm gonna open it up. This is the one that I just exported from Unreal Engine. So I'm gonna open it up and leave everything as it is, discard the changes from the previous file, and there you go, that's the car we've just saw in the Unreal Engine vehicle template. And right now, I can just start to work with this in the different parts. You can see it's divided into many parts. So I can use all these parts and paint out a material on top of that. So just, this is a standard paint, white paint in Substance 3D, but I can also use material. So if I drag and drop a material directly in the car, I can do it like this. But this is something you can do also using the add-on, the Substance add-on inside Unreal Engine. You can use Substance materials directly in Unreal Engine. So right now, I'm just gonna apply some of these just to show you quickly that we can definitely work with the model, and you can do all the things that you can do with Substance, which are really powerful in terms of materials and PBR, physically based render materials, and so on. And you can paint, you can add effects or graphics, many other things. Now, once you're ready, all you need to do is go back to the software, which in this case is Unreal Engine, where we exported, and we don't need the mesh. Actually, we don't need to export the mesh because we already have the mesh. All we need to do is export the materials and the textures. So that's probably more likely something you want to do. You can also send this to Photoshop or to Substance 3D Stager again, so you can work with other Substance 3D software in the package. Now I'm just gonna export the textures. I'm gonna use a setting because you have your Unreal Engine default setting you can use, and choose a folder where you want to export your material, your textures, your assets. So I'm gonna go for here a new folder. So I'm gonna right click and create a new folder, call these like vehicle, and just double click, select this folder and export. So everything is going to go there. And you can also choose multiple template. This is the Unreal Engine UAE template, but I can use another one, perhaps like, and you can see the details here in the output templates right here, which maps are exported. And so you can do this multiple times with different like other render engines, or other, like this is Substance 3D Stager, for example. So I can choose this, or make this many times. The, the more time you do it, the more type of texture you export. You can see here how many are in here. So those are going to be added to the other ones, and then you can continue with this many times. Now, another option is to export the entire Substance material. So let me close this. Okay, right click. So that's the material I want to export. So right click on the resource, on the material, and then export resource. Now all you need to do here is just select the folder. You don't need to do anything else. So you don't need to type anything, just click on select the folder, and that's it. Now this is the folder where I've exported everything. So you'll find all the different maps with the alpha channel, sorry, the normal maps, the diffuse. So you can bring everything in, including the Substance material, which is SBSAR, and you can start to use them inside Unreal Engine. So this is going to be it for this video. If you want to know more, you can check the Substance and Unreal Engine courses in the channel. Please subscribe to stay updated and join to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.